Hey everybody, it's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Coleman Lantern LT 17B. This 21-foot travel trailer, roughly 3,000 pounds, is fantastic for that couple looking for the entry-level experience, and at the fact that the price point has it at roughly 10 grand, and within the first 365 days of taking delivery, you can trade it in and keep 90% of that value. Come on, man. You got to jump on this one. Plus, it has bunks. Yes. The 17B is a bunkhouse, twin over twin bunks on the off-camp side, LED light up top, window there, has a rear bath with plenty of space, especially considering this travel trailer has no slide. You have the skylight right there, giving you some extra headroom, foot flush on the toilet, and the hangers, because my wife always says, where am I going to hang stuff? You got the smaller, what I like to call the dorm style fridge, but for a couple looking to get out and about, this is fantastic. Still plenty enough space for if you catch some fish, you got the bottles of water, you need space for that, you absolutely can put it in there. Furion microwave up top. We come over to the kitchen area. You do have the full extension drawers on the ball bearing, solid wood construction with brushed nickel fixtures all the way around. 2-burner Suburban stove top. Got a single well sink with the high-rise brushed nickel faucet and plenty of countertop space. You want to bring the coffee maker with you. Got a plug right there. Cable outlet for your television when you're ready to mount that, and the mortise and tenon style shaker cabinets with the frosted glass inlays. What a great residential touch, and what good space given the area of space that we have. But my favorite feature about this thing, yes, this 21-foot 17B has an electric fireplace. 5,000 BTUs of heat can be kicked off of this thing, giving you plenty of heat to pretty much warm the entire travel trailer. So when you want to sit right here at the dinette and talk about what you did on the hike, what you did on the fish, prepare the meals, play the board games, you got plenty of space. Beautiful window right here giving you lots of natural light. This does reduce down and become a bed as well. And when we move over to the master bed area, you do have storage underneath. That's a great spot for the fishing rods, for the hunting rifles, some of that bait tackle boxes you want to put in there, you can. And yes, you're looking at an 8,000 BTU air conditioner. This unit comes with a fireplace and an AC. For that price point, yeah, you get it. Got a storage shelf up there, nightstand right there with power ports, both top and both on the top and the bottom. So if you got a read and light CPAP machine, you got plenty of plug-in space right there for it. You even have more storage right over here above the dinette, right there in the cabinet, and your AM/FM stereo controls right there. So fantastic for that entry-level couple that's looking to not take a big leap, but want something that's going to give them that advanced camping experience. This 2020 Coleman Lantern LT 17B is a fantastic option. We've seen the inside. Let's go check out the outside. So here we are on the outside, the 2020 Coleman LT 17B, brand spanking new 21-foot trailer, 3,000 pounds. You got the aluminum all the way in. You still got that foam core insulation in there as well. But up front, we got the hand crank for the hitch, 20-pound LP tank, battery and battery box right there. We come around to the campsite and you're gonna see the storage right there. It's not pass-through, but once again, for the price point and the size, that's still really good space. Good area for some hunting gear. If you want to put your hiking boots in there, your backpacks, tackle boxes, that's a good spot. These are set up for solar prep too, so if you have the panels, there's your solar quick connect right there. Come around, got a beautiful power awning. Yes, for the price point and size, you still get a power awning. Solid grab handle, 26-inch entry door there, sealed safety glass and tinted all the way around this camper. Power port here, if you did want to have some outside entertainment, maybe run a cable outside, set up a TV, plug in the boom box. Single axle on this travel trailer, back of the furnace there. We come around to the rear, you got your 4x4 sewer hose storage right here. There's your leveling jacks, which are hand cranked. These are also set up for backup cameras. So there's your rear step there. And if you notice on the back, these have the arch ceilings. That's what's going to help keep those elements, that rain, that snow, off of the camper and make sure that it doesn't stay and cause any damage. Come around to the opposite side, got your 30-amp power plug right here. Your gray and your black tanks or your main dumps right here. Coleman does a fantastic job of keeping everything labeled and color coded. So you know you want to flush the black first and then the gray, boom, you're good to go right there. We come around to the freshwater connection and the city water connection. But as I always say, the most important thing on any travel trailer that you want to take a look at is the info panel right there. How much does this vehicle weigh? Unloaded weight, we're looking at 3,000 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, we're looking at 3,800 pounds. Ask your RV specialist, what does that mean? Here's what my vehicle can tow. Now at this weight, you could probably tow this with a Prius because it's 3,000 pounds, 4,000 if you go at it, but ask your specialist, hey, is this right for me? But for the price point, for the size, and for that couple that's looking to get out and about and do some of that camping and just get up off the ground, this entry-level camper 2020 Coleman Lantern LT 17B is a fantastic option. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. Where do you see yourself taking this thing? Would you have it? I would. It's a bunk. For that price point, for that size, come on, man. You can't beat it. But leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper. I'll see you.